Welcome to CookABILITY. This is a series of accessible cooking videos where we'll be showing you how to cook simple, healthy food in easy to follow steps.
My name's Adam, we make a champagne.
Follow the step-by-step instructions. Pause the video when the text flashes red until you are ready to continue. Step 1. Wash your hands. Step 2. Unwrap the noodles and place in a saucepan. Step 3. Cover the noodles with boiling water and cook for 3 minutes. Step 4. Drain the noodles and rinse in cold water. Step 5. Return to the saucepan and spray with a little oil. Step 6. Pour 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in a bowl. Step 7. Add 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Step 8. Add 1 teaspoon of chilli sauce and stir together. Step 9. Measure a tablespoon of cornflour into a new bowl. Step 10. Slice the chicken into thin strips. Step 11. Rub the chicken into the sauce and then into the flour, and wash your hands afterwards. Step 12. Remove the core and seeds from the pepper. Step 13. Thinly slice the red pepper into strips. Step 14. Remove the outer leaves from a spring onion and slice into strips. Step 15. Fry the chicken in a little oil until golden brown. Step 16. Place the cooked chicken on a plate. Step 17, fry the red pepper in little oil for 2 minutes. Step 18, add the spring onions and fry for 30 seconds. Step 19, stir in the cooked noodles and heat for 1 minute. Step 20, add a large tablespoon of soy sauce to the noodles. Step 21, serve on a plate and place the chicken on top of the noodles. I hope you've enjoyed cooking and eating our meal. Look out for the next video. It's going to be great.